Caleb, and I'm at a creek, and I'm gonna be trying to catch the most fish for 2 days, and I'm gonna be sleeping in the tent. And I'll catch you guys when I throw the crab pot out in the water. I'll see you then. All right, we're at the spot, and I'm gonna throw out this crab trap once I put the bait in. So let me put this frozen chicken in here. We'll be on our way. Alright, chicken's in the pot. Huge piece. Not in the spot yet. The boat drifted from its spot. All this leftover chicken out of here. I am taking it away from out in the middle of the creek because we're gonna go crabbing tomorrow on my drum boat, and I don't want to run it over. This should be a good spot. I almost forgot to put this here. Okay, and throw it out. And there you go, there's the crab buoy. Alright, now I'm gonna go fishing. We're about 30 feet away from the pylon, anchored out, and see if we can catch some fish. I've had some luck here in the past, but let's see if I'll get them today. I'll catch you guys when I get a fish on. See ya. Got a bite. I don't think I got a fish. I don't know. Actually, I might. Yep, I have one. Yep, I got a fish. Oh yeah, a little spot. Nice little spot. He was fighting for a while. Look at that. He's a beauty. And he just fell. What a nice spot. That was a good spot. He might have been good for bait, but he fell off the hook before I got him. Got a bite. He didn't take it though. Let me reel it in some. Nah, nothing, I don't think. These flies are killing me. No, there's no fish. Nothing. No fish that time. I'm steering somewhere else. Right when I was about to pull it up. Yes, I do. It's a croaker. Looks like. Yeah, it's a croaker. Oh my. He lost his eye. Look at that, his left eye. He pulled that thing. Oh golly, he's feisty. Where's that hook set in there? Oh gosh, right when I was about to pull up the shore, because I wasn't getting a couple bites in a couple minutes. Trying to pull the hook out, it's hard. Okay, it's stuck in there. Okay, got it out. Nice little croaker. Alright, release him. There he goes. See if I can't get another one before I set up my tent. It's not late outside, just I want to set up my tent before all the mosquitoes come up. I'll show you that. There's a little crab right there. That's cool. Be trying to catch him tomorrow, or her. Alright. Cast this sucker back in there. There it goes. Alright. Alright, we didn't have any luck for about 15-20 minutes. So now I'm gonna set up my tent as soon as I get it out and get something to drink. Look at that mess. All tangled up in the spool. Well, that's good. It was the end of the day. I have to get it fixed up tomorrow so you can catch more fish. There's a nice spot Daniel caught just right now. Alright, let's go check this crab pot here, because we're right next to it. First, let me get this fishing line and stuff off me. Alright, it's off. Alright, let's go see this crab pot.
Go, honey.
Alright, I'm in my tent and I'm about to go to bed. I'll catch you guys in the morning. See ya. And here's my dog, Honey. Right there. Alright. I'll see you guys in the morning at 6:30ish, because we're going to go on the John boat. I'll see you then.
There's a line coming up. You missed that one.
I didn't see that one.
Alright, good practice.
No, I missed him.
Missed him?
Yeah. Caught 8 crabs altogether, but 1 keeper. There's the big crab right there.
Okay. Get it ready. Oh, too close to it. Okay, here we go. If you look at my PVC thing, it is in the water. Look.
Okay.
Running deep now, running deep.
No! That was a...
Missing?
Yes.
deep again. That's a nice one.
Oh yeah, I like the shorter net better.
You like the short one better?
Yes.
Good. More manageable.
Yes. And I don't have to poke you in the face.
Yeah, right. Well, indeed.
There's one on that one. Pretty sure. This one.
Even if it looks like a small one, go ahead and scoop them.
Okay.
That way you're practicing and we're getting the small ones away from our line so they don't keep eating up our bait. Indeed.
Big one.
Good.
I don't know how I saw that one. Whoa.
Trying to escape.
Get your life jacket.
Caught 7 crabs
You have to have a life jacket.
and 3 males. No keepers though. Still got that one big one.
See how many crabs. Oh, crab, 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 crab. Oh, yeah.
Put in.
That's a male.
Oh, what is this one, dude?
Dude, that's like a mud, that looked like a mud crab. I actually looked like a mud crab for a second underneath the water. I don't know why.
He went off and then went back on. And then we went back off again.
See if, let's see if you can see crabs like this. Oh, I just saw one underneath. I can barely see crabs. Oh, no, never mind. Oh, there is, yeah,
That's
no.
not one.
I can't
That'd
tell.
be a small one. Running deep.
Running deep, running deep. How is there no crabs? Oh my, that's a monster. Oh my gosh. That was big. That's almost bigger than that way it looks so big underwater, but it wasn't that much.
It is big.
I know, but I said it looks so big underneath.
Then you gotta put your knees down,
Running
buddy.
big. It was. Now it's running deep.
It was running deep.
Now it's no. It keeps on running deep, running high, running low. There's one. Oh, that's maybe a keep. Actually, no. That's actually nothing. I don't know. Oh my! Oh, I thought I just saw. Oh, I knew I saw a crab in the corner of my eye. Oh dang, that's a little. He's cute. Wow, that's a lot, Caleb.
See. Running deep.
Yeah.
Oh my. Yeah, I can barely.
Oh my.
Oh my. How the heck is there not even a single big one? Oh, there's one. There's me. Why in the
That's
heck
even
is
a big one there.
not even a single big one?
Oh, there's one.
Oh, yeah, that's actually pretty decent. Oh, yeah. Dang.
I'm gonna stand up when it runs deep.
Oh my gosh. There's one. Nope. I thought I saw him go off.
It probably did.
Oh my god. Oh, never mind. We're getting close.
No,
to
it is running deep.
Yeah, but we're getting close to
It's
it.
not that close.
It looks close to me. Oh my.
Stop rolling over there.
Oh, I thought I saw one. Last time there was massive ones. Oh, what? Oh yeah, we're getting close.
Yeah, now it's getting close. Turn off. Turn off. All right, this round 3, we caught 8 crabs, 7 males and 1 keeper. Now in the bucket we got, or bushel basket, we got 2 crabs. Now it's
Watch, I'll fight
now it's Daniel's turn to go crabbing.
Running deep.
Daniel's turn. Crab coming up right here. Get him. Yeah.
No! Oh my! The line, like, I don't know how it's stuck. It was but it's still fun.
Running deep.
Wow. Running deep and there's not even a crab.
It was.
Running deep.
It
Well,
was. Crab on this one right here.
What in the hell? I don't know why I keep on missing them. Maybe just.
I'm running deep.
Fruit fly, you're really Oh my
It's
god.
right there, right there. Please don't miss that one. Oh yeah.
Look at him.
Right there.
Oh, it's a baby female. The other crabs do can't find it.
Right here, right here.
Oh my. No!
Got
Oh! He like went off like once I put the net underneath the water. That looked like a crab like that. Oh my. It's running deep.
Crab right here, right here.
Got him. Oh, it's a female.
That's all right.
Okay.
Practice.
Running deep.
From our line.
Running deep. Right there, right there, right there.
That's a. It's a. Oh, it looks like a male. Oh my.
I think that something came off that one. Running deep, right there, right there, right there. Oh, you missed him.
That was a big one.
So what?
Yes, that was big.
That was a small one. It looked like.
No, it was big.
It looks small.
All right. How are you feeling about yourself? He said that.
How many did you get?
Oh,
caught
I thought I
4.
only got 3.
Caught 4
One looks like me.
and 3 females and I don't think any keepers. We have 1 male. Daniel caught 4 and 1 one male crab. No keepers though. It's my turn now.
Yep.
This time I took it out of gear.
Oh my. I can't even see it. It's running so deep.
It's running deep because
Well, it's close to the chain.
I thought the chain already went back.
There's the chain.
Oh my.
There you
Alright. Crab.
Daniel, move
Crab.
your knee. Move
Crab.
your knee.
Oh, oh, oh!
go. Don't worry about it. If you miss it, you miss it. If you shake the line, it shakes everything else.
Oh my
off.
gosh, it's running deep. Well, it was.
What was that? That was a massive crab.
or something.
Fish,
Was it fish?
maybe. It probably was if you said it was massive. Fish like chicken necks.
They ain't biting too good today.
The fish?
Yeah.
Oh. No, I can see it. Oh my. Running deep, deep. Oh, there's a crab. Yeah, I saw one like it was right there and he went up. Crab. That was a big one. Yes!
That's a nice one.
Dang!
Oh, there's another one.
Let's go. That's definitely a keeper right there. That's definitely a keeper.
Is that one?
Yeah.
I got him. Oh, there's another one.
That's good.
Oh!
Good.
Two at the same time.
Thank you.
Running deep.
I like standing up. I can see. Oh my.
Oh my! Was that the thing that you said it was?
No, it wasn't that big.
Bro said, "Oh
big.
my!" I know. It was like, "Oh my!"
It looks big underneath the water.
Yeah. Maybe that's why I said there's a monster. I can barely even see the line.
Drop
I won't.
it. There's a chicken off.
Yeah, they ate that one off.
Is that a minnow? No. Crab. Miniature crab. Running deep. Running deep. Oh my gosh, there's one. Got him. Yeah. Oh my crap, that's a massive one. Oh! Oh my crab. Yes. Running deep, running deep, running deep. Oh yeah. Is there crabs? Crab.
No.
I saw one over there.
I stopped it. Okay, so we caught 8 crabs. Look, it looks like 4 males and 4 females, and we're gonna measure them out, see who's keepers. 4.
36 crabs.
36 crabs out of 4 trips, and we caught 8 this trip, and
That was the 5th trip.
oh, 5th trip. Okay, 5th trip, and we caught 2 more keepers, so we're up to 4 keepers now. They're big ones. All right, now it's Daniel's turn. When we get
What's
get
up,
ready.
guys? The sky looked like it was painted, not even real. Because of the,
Get your net ready.
Wait, watch out.
because it looked not real, because it was like
All
white,
right, here comes Daniel.
white dark.
Let's get some crabs. This time, catch more than 4. Just
There's the line. All right.
one right there, one right there.
Ah! I don't know why.
You have to be faster.
That's about the 4th time we've missed that first crab.
I missed one my first round. Oh, here comes one, here comes one. Be faster. Here we go.
Yes.
Nice.
He's like, no, I'm the first one. I don't like this.
Right here, right here, right here, right here. Yes. Right here, right here. Yes.
Good job, man.
That's maybe a keeper. Yeah, I don't know if that's a keeper. That's probably not fair. Oh my, it's not a deep. Oh my gosh. It was.
Here it is, right here, right here, right here. This one. Got him.
Oh,
Nice,
dang.
nice.
That's probably a keeper. Running deep.
Right here.
Oh my. Oh, it looks big. What in the
All right.
heck?
Yeah, it's good practice.
It looked,
We want to get all them females away from our line anyway. They eat up my bait.
Here comes one, right here.
oh, dang. Oh, he fell
Get
off.
out, right here. Get.
Yeah, I thought he fell off. and
He
then
did
came
fall
back
off.
up. Oh, he just landed on the same.
Running deep.
Running deep, running deep, running deep.
That's just running deep.
Come on, get a big crab. Be a
Right here, right here, right here. Don't miss him. Yes.
That's nice.
Running deep.
I'm getting the hang of it.
Yes, you do.
Time to running deep, running deep. Right here. Oh, he
Nope.
fell off.
He fell off. But it's running deep. Right here, right here, right here.
Oh my. Dude. Good job. Barely seen one. Come on.
Right here, right here.
Oh, I thought it was small.
Nice.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, look at this. Holy. Imagine a big crab.
All right. How many did you get that time?
Daniel's round was 10 with 6 males and maybe 1 keeper.
He's not.
1 keeper out of 5 males for Daniel. There's all the keepers now. For our 6th run, we caught
46 crabs total.
46 crabs. And it's my turn. Get close to the side. Don't put your hand down there. Okay? In case then the crabs can see it.
Bro, I can barely see. I might be able to see the weight. Let's see. You know. Yep. I know. That looked like a snake when it came up. Oh, dang. Crab. Oh, dang, that's small, but super decent. Yeah. Crab.
Hello.
Oh my, running deep. Well, it was. There was a crab on that.
Oh, it's running deep.
Oh my gosh! Oh, that looked like.
Get him.
I
Yeah.
like waiting a little bit now.
Get one, this one. Yeah!
Get all them.
Sit down, David, because I can't see that much. Oh, there's one on that one. One off.
Dropped off.
Yeah.
Running deep. Oh my.
Good night, and there's one. A big one.
Oh dang.
Now I'm gonna stay.
Oh, I thought I saw a big one. I don't know if I did or not. Big one. Oh, there's a big one. Oh.
Put in that net. Put it close to the wall, right?
It's tiny.
Running deep.
Well, that's because you're getting
No,
close.
that's running deep.
Oh my.
There's a crab on it.
Holy smokes! I can barely even see it. Oh, there's. That was a.
Down.
Oh, that looks like a big one. Can't get it off.
Alright, we caught 9 crabs. It doesn't look like there's any keepers in there, but we'll measure them out. And I'll catch you guys if there's any. Caught 9 crabs, no keepers. One was like a centimeter off though. And now it's Daniel's turn. Catch you guys when we're about to get ready. Get ready, Daniel. Running deep.
First bait.
Nobody on the first line. Oh, I saw like
Right here.
oh, give me a shot. Whoa.
Running deep.
I can barely explode. No. Oh, dang. Oh, my. Oh, that was just a big crab that just fell off.
Right, I know. Right here.
Oh, it felt heavy. I don't know why when I got it.
Right here, right there. Right there. Please don't miss it. Yes.
That's a nice one.
That's a color. That might be.
Hopefully I got two good underneath the water shots.
Is it right here? Oh, my. That's running good. Oh, my. Oh,
Did you get it?
get on gate.
I'm running a little bit deep. I'm running deep.
Oh, my. Oh, my.
It could be a big one. Nope, no, there is one right there. Thanks. Right here, right here. Don't miss it. Yes, that's a big one.
That's a keeper.
Coming up right here, right here. Right here. Running deep.
Oh, my. Well,
Well, we're getting close.
We're going to do because it's getting toward the end.
Yes.
there's some chicken
Alright, we're over. This round's over. See what we got here. Alright, we're measuring out the crabs. This one looks small. 7.
But I think like 2 of them are keepers, or 1.
At least 1.
Wait a minute, Dana. Wait a minute. Let me get settled.
Small.
Where'd Aaron go? Oh, there she is.
This one looks small. Yep, small. Right here. Small. Are you getting back on?
Me, I'm
Keeper.
Yay! How many keepers do y'all have? 6 so far.
Got 1 keeper. Let's see if there's this one. Should be a keeper. Keeper.
Yes! There's 2 of them.
About 7 now, right?
7. Flip this guy over. Hold on. 7 2 keepers out of the 7 fish. My turn next. my turn now. We're about to get to the white buoy out there. And yeah, I'll catch you guys when we're about to get some crabs. Is it on?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Oh my, that line's way over there.
Where's the line? Change.
Here, oh my. Oh my. The crab.
Oh, yeah! I missed the
Yeah!
first one this time.
Crab, crab, crab! Yeah!
You can remember, put it down so you don't see him. Sit down, Daniel.
Crab.
Here's one.
Oh dang, that's. Yeah! Oh my, where's the line? Running deep a little. Crab. Running deep. Running deep. Running deep.
What you need at?
I'm not comfortable like this. Oh my. What happened to all the crabs?
Right now, I think we have a slack tide. Probably right around 9:30. We got
Two crabs. Oh, we fell.
Down the net.
Yeah.
That's gonna fall.
Oh dang, let's go.
Sit down. Oh.
Oh, he was coming to her. Oh, he was coming
He was
towards
coming
it.
to the bait.
Yeah. It was like, let me get some bait. That's a big female. I think.
That's a female too? That's not even a male.
Really?
It's pretty big too.
Running deep. Has to be a crab on pretty soon.
Or it's getting close a little bit.
Yeah, it has to. It's got to be a crab. I'm running deep crab.
Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, I can barely even see it. There's one. Whoa.
Caught 7, but no keepers. One was like a centimeter short, and one fell out the net. But I don't think that one would have been a keeper. And I think it's going to be Daniel's turn. Yep, it will. It's going to be Daniel's turn.
Right here.
All right, we're taking a little break now because the crabs won't be biting until another about half hour, 45 minutes, because it's called a slack tide, and they won't they'll be moving. The current will be moving, or like very fast. So we're gonna wait a half an hour. I'm gonna take a break. We've caught 69 fish in I think like 8 or 9 rounds. Approaching on the crab.
We're approaching the crab pot.
We're approaching the crab pot I set out yesterday. Approaching on the crab.
We're approaching the crab pot.
We're approaching the crab pot I set out yesterday. Let's see if we have any keepers.
I think we have one probably. Or two.
Hopefully we have any.
Oh, there's the gar. Whoa. See about it? There's the gar. Whatever that is.
Yep.
Here it is. Let's see. See how many keepers.
Or any crabs in here.
I know we have 2. We have 2 big ones. See?
Wow.
See, I told you we have two big ones.
Wow.
That one's a keeper.
Yeah.
Both of them might be.
Dump them in your crate.
Okay. Yep. You get sit there.
Told you, Bug. I checked it on the kayak this morning once I got up. Like after
You
breakfast.
gotta shake them out.
Okay. You still filming, doing it?
Yeah. I should have brought my cast net right here so I can try to catch that guy.
Did you get them both out?
No, just one.
You gotta get it upside down and shake it pretty hard.
These guys trying to climb up. There it is. There it is. Almost. There you go.
Now keep that on the board because there's no more bait in it.
Okay.
We need to take it back to the dock. Okay?
Okay.
So just set it up front right now. Set it down up front.
Caleb, turn off. Yeah.
Alright, we caught two nice sized crabs. We're going to measure them out and see if they're keepers. They should be keepers. Once we get back to the dock, we're almost there. Alright.
Mom, here's the two massive ones that
Hold that.
I showed you on the crab pot.
Yes.
They're
Yeah, I
massive.
can't see, buddy. Thanks.
So we're approaching the dock.
Take that crab pot, if you would, and you gotta get it off the boat.
Oh, they're big. Told you.
Yeah, they were huge.
Oh, man.
So now we got 11 keepers, we're gonna need one more.
Should we measure them?
No, no.
No, that's it's missing one of the orange things ones. See that? Yeah, it's not a legal trap right now.
Mom, we saw the gar again.
Really?
The gar.
Keeper?
Yes.
Both of them or just one?
Both of them.
Both of them?
Turn it off. Actually, look, there, we got 11 keepers. We just need one more for a dozen, and it's my turn. Alright, it's my turn now, and we're waiting for this white buoy to come up.
See? You have to be like this.
Hopefully it doesn't get caught up this time.
Good. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. What? Crab. Yeah. Male. It's a baby male. Crab. Crab. Yes. Female. Oh my gosh. Crab. Don't miss this one. Yeah, don't miss that one. Yeah. Let's go. Crab. No.
Run deep. Oh, there's a...
Oh my.
Oh, it's a big one.
That's a keeper. Let's go. We can end it. That's a mess. That might be the biggest one of the day.
I thought I saw another crab, so that's why I'm waiting. Watch out.
Running deep. Holy smokes. You have got to be kidding me. It's oh. Dude, how is it running deep and there's like a little crab? Woo! Running deep. How is it? I don't know. Holy smokes, it's running
Oh,
deep.
it's running deep.
Holy smokes. Oh my.
Oh, there it was running deep.
It must
We're
have been a
next to
big
the
crab.
sign.
It must have been a big crab.
It's going deeper.
And every time I move, these crabs move. Too slow.
Running deep.
Oh my gosh.
It's running deep.
Oh my gosh. Big one! That's a big one inside. Oh my gosh.
Oh man. Sea nice one.
Oh!
Sorry, don't worry about it.
It's running deep a little bit.
It's running deep.
Yeah.
I think
There's one.
Yep, that's one.
Yeah! I have a lot of ones so far.
Oh man, we got a lot.
Yeah.
Makes a difference once that pad starts moving again. The half-hour break we took, I think, paid off.
Man, I can't believe I can't even see the line. Ha! I touched the massive.
We caught a keeper out of the 9 we caught, and one was a couple centimeters off. If he didn't lose his tail, I mean not the tail, pointer thing, he would have been a keeper. There's all 12 right there. And we're pulling up the crab line, so I guess we caught 12. So that's it for crabbing today, and I'll probably go fishing on a pond prowler in probably an hour or so. I'll see you then. Here's the crabs, the finished product after it's been cooked.
Yeah.
They look nice, and we're about to eat them, and I'll catch you when I'm on my boat. Alright, we're at our spot here. Well, we're not at our spot. We're going to our spot. It's gonna be over there somewhere. Let's try to get some rockfish and see if we can. I'll meet you guys when we get a fish. We just had a big old spot or a red drum on. Like we saw him at the boat. We didn't get him on camera though, and so he's released now. It was big. It was probably 11 inches. So we're changing spots or pulling back in. We're probably pulling back in to get some water and stuff. And I don't know. Maybe we'll go in the pool and have a video at the pool.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you whatever we do. Good morning. It's like 6:20, 6:25ish. We're about to hop in the truck and go on the boat on the Grady Wright, try to catch some rockfish. We can only catch 5 because there's only 1 rockfish per person on the boat. So we have 5 people on the boat, and I'll see you then. We're out here on the big boat now. We're going 35 miles per hour. I see it when we catch a fish.
Fish on! Oh, what?
Yeah, I think
Walk backwards.
Did it trip? No, there is a fish.
There is a fish. Ha! That's a. What is that?
Striper.
A striper? It's a
Way
baby
too small.
one.
Way too small, yes. A striped bass.
Yeah.
Yes. I thought it tripped for a second because he wasn't fighting or anything. We got a fish here.
Oh my! What,
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. All right, stop feeling. Walk backwards.
No,
No, he didn't. He said, take the pole.
Take the pole. Walk backwards that way.
A little bit bigger.
A little bit bigger.
But not big enough.
Oh, let's get it. Get Daniel with the fish. Get in there, Daniel. What kind is that?
Straight bass.
Wow.
Little striped bass.
Oh.
Oh! Oh my! How big is he? How big is he?
Not big enough.
Probably only 11 inches.
All right, we just pulled into lines. We didn't have any luck. You know, about 45 minutes to an hour. We only caught them 2 fish, and we're going back to the house.
Get a 13 on this.
Let's go.
Captain Caleb.
I got 12.
12, that's good.
Let's go.
So you're not making any kind of weight.
Let's go.
That goes to the left of it to the right.
Let's go.
Keep that thing on your left hand side.